Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Bobtot Karaoke machine for adults. 40-watt peak, portable Bluetooth speaker with wireless microphone. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. Loud stereo and powerful bass. This karaoke speaker features a 40-watt peak rectangular full-range speaker, 50x90mm, which provides immersive sound. Our exclusive technology reduces distortion caused by resonance, enhances bass ambience, and delivers purer, clearer sound quality. Get incredible sound at home, in the yard, or anywhere else imaginable. Up to 16-hour playtime. The portable speaker with built-in 8800 mAh durable battery supports up to 16 hours of playtime per charge, 50% volume, and plays longer time on lower volume. Actual playing time is related to song type, volume level, and RGB mode. It's a good choice for parties, family gatherings, and classroom activity. Ambient RGB Light. This wireless speakers with Bluetooth has 4 types of LED light modes. It can change with the rhythm of music, or gentle slow flashing, providing the most romantic and vibrant karaoke party atmosphere for you. You can also long press the LED button to turn off the light. It's an ideal karaoke machine for adults and kids. EQ adjustable. You can switch EQ to indoor or outdoor mode given your need. Outdoor mode delivers much power bass, and indoor mode offers crisp and well-balanced sound, making it the perfect speakers Bluetooth wireless for any indoor event and an excellent singing machine for small outdoor party. Multifunctional wireless microphone. The speaker with microphone can adjust echo effect, reduce or add echo for different scenarios. 5 magic sound effects: baby, monster, female, male and original voice, providing endless fun and happiness. It's rechargeable and can pick voice accurately and provides clear, high-quality sound. Bluetooth 5.3 connection. This Bluetooth speaker wireless is equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, fast connection and up to 100 feet range, anti-interference and more stable while playing music. Let you efficiently connect any Bluetooth devices such as laptops, smartphones, pads. Multiple applications. A UX jack allows you to connect to the non-Bluetooth devices such as projectors, computer with a 3.5 mm audio cable, and supports playing the music of the USB drive. FM radio can search and save available stations automatically, letting you stay tuned anywhere you go. IPX6 water resistant. The waterproof speaker is resistant to splash. Outstanding life waterproof, can resist gentle water spray and splash. Perfect for home cooking, by the pool, camping, beach, and outdoor activities. Stylish compact design. A carrying handle let you easily take your portable microphone and speaker set wherever you go. A simple operation panel, combined with a detailed user guide, allows you to enjoy it quickly. It's the ideal holiday or birthday gift for family, lovers, and friends. The size of the portable karaoke speaker is 3.7 x 3.9 x 9.5 inches and weighs 2.4 pounds. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.